All right, here we are, another installment of Mike's Garage. Today we're not going to do anything mechanical, but we're going to talk about the key fobs, the key fob, and how to use it and how to unlock the bike using just the spare key. So stay tuned and we're going to go over that. Okay, the dealer gave me a key fob and 2 spare keys. The key fob, you press the triumph symbol and it turns from red to green. Green means that the bike will read that and it will start. If it's red and you hit it again and it turns to red, it turns the key fob off. That helps save the battery. But if you touch it and it's red, it will not start the bike. Now, there's a battery inside the key fob. If that goes bad, the key fob will not work and will not start the bike. Now, if that's the case, these 2 keys will unlock the bike, and so you can start it. You have to put the key underneath the rear wheel at a certain spot, and it will unlock the bike, and I will show you that here. Okay, here we are. Back of the bike, up underneath here, and you can see this round piece right here, okay? That's where you want to put the key. You want this piece right about halfway, okay? And while you're doing that, you want to hit the power button. I'll show you. Okay, now placing the key where I showed you earlier on that hump underneath the rear wheel and hitting the power button. Will unlock the bike. And that's with the key fob off, showing red, or not working at all. So there you go. That's how it works. And good luck if it happens to you. Also, I carry a spare battery with me when I travel. Thank you. Again, to show you where the key goes, it goes right here, just like that. And when you hit the power button and hold the key there, the bike will unlock. All right, thanks for watching another Mike's Garage episode. We'll keep working on this bike and keep learning about it and making new videos. Thanks for watching.